Hello everyone, in the last tutorial I showed you how to transfer a player from a world or realm to a server. So now in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can do kind of like spawn protection for your spawns and stuff if the player has a certain tag. What we're going to do quickly is we're going to move the transfer player to another file in case we want to use it again. I'm going to make another file, call it transfer s, and then just copy this code here. So now we don't need to use this. Now let's create another one. We're going to call it the player break block.js. This is what I would just like to call it. So to import this, and then the event that we're going to use is world dot before events, and then dot player break block. This I like to use data. So now we have that set up. Then we can do const player, and then oh my god, I spelled player wrong. Dimension. We can do equals data. And if you want to, you can even get the like blocks location by doing const x, y, z equals data dot block dot location. So if you want to get the blocks location, you can use x, y, and z. Now, what we need to do is cancel the block if the player that broke it has a certain tag. So if, let's say, player dot has tag in spawn, like this. So if the player has the tag in underscore spawn, we're then going to do data dot cancel, can't spell, equal to true. The way this works is basically, this is all the data that's happening from what's coming from the event. We're getting the player from the data, we're getting the coordinate from the data, we're getting the dimension from the data. These two aren't being used right now, but they are useful. And then we're cancelling the data if the player has the tag, so therefore the data doesn't even process or go forward, if that makes sense. Yeah, that should then cancel it if we have the tag in spawn, and we can also do player.send message. Get the like color code symbol. You cannot break blocks in spawn. There we go. We can do like something cool as well, like this little exclamation mark. There we go. Now we go on to our world. Ooh, one thing I almost forgot is we have to import this file into the index. By that we do import, and we do the file pathing, which the block player break block is in the same folder as index. As you can see, it's in the scripts folder. So we just do dot. If it was in a folder that has a higher or like a lower file path, we do dot dot. Yeah. We do this, and then we get player break block. Yes, you don't have to do the dot. I just like doing it, and that should now work. So if we go to the tutorial world, make sure the pack's still on. Yep. Make sure it is still updated. Okay. And then play. Now it's going to be completely unedited, so you can see I'm not changing anything. This is tutorial is legit. I swear. I swear. Yes. So now we are in the world. Going to add the tag. Oh, I don't have operator. Oh, I need to turn sheets on quickly. We go here, turn the cheats on. Hashtag at this add in spawn. There you go. It works perfectly. Break a block. It says it in chat. The reason it's going off multiple times is because I'm spam breaking the the grass. And then you could probably remove it once they're in a certain position. Like say they're like a million or well not a million but like 1,000 blocks away. we remove the end spawn tag, you know, and then they can break stuff. Yeah, that's how that works. Pretty simple. If you want more tutorials, let me know what you want tutorials for, and yeah, thanks for watching.